Okay. Oops. Yes.
The eggs. The 5 eggs.
Okay.
I should keep it in the fishes.
One noodles, please.
One no. I'm gonna put noodle coming. One stove, 2 stoves, and 1 grill.
Let me see. Wow.คุณเจี๊ยบสวัสดีค่ะ Wow, a lot of people are watching you. Can you tell them how to make noodles? How long do I have to wait?
And then cool it down.
Done?
No. Then it's done. Now it's done. Now it's cool it down.
มีเอฟเฟกต์นะคะเล่นเองด้วย
Now cool it down again.
Okay. Done?
No. We're gonna do 5 eggs.
Okay. That's great. What about dessert? What have you got for dessert?
I don't got dessert. But I got food.
Only noodles. ใครจะเอาอะไรสั่งได้เลยนะคะร้านก๋วยเตี๋ยวซิต้าเชฟซิต้าเปิดแล้ว What can you do? Can you tell them?
I can cook.
You can cook? Okay. What can you cook?
5 eggs, hot dogs, noodles.
Okay นะคะทำไข่เจียวได้ทำก๋วยเตี๋ยวได้ทำwhat else? Hot dog. You mean sausages? Yeah นะคะไส้กรอกได้นะคะ สั่งเชฟได้ Little chef Oh it failed already.
I got a pressure for that will make it dirty.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, don't you have dish?
No, but I do these pans.
And how can I eat them?
You just can use your hand.
I have to use my hands?
Cool it, and then cool it on the freezer.
Okay นะคะตกก็ไม่เป็นไรนะคะเชฟบอก Done already? Wow flying it's ready นะคะไข่ดาวพร้อมแล้วI ate it up. I finished up already. Thank you so much. It's super yummy.
Imagine eating it. Put it in your meal.
Okay.
I'll do it next, huh?
What about my noodles?
Yeah, I've got. And
Do you have chili?
No.
You don't have chili?
Yeah.
โอเคเชฟบอกให้รอนะคะไหนมาดูซิซุปเสร็จหรือยังก๋วยเตี๋ยวเสร็จหรือยังว้าว it looks so yummy it looks delicious นะคะดูน่าทานเนาะ imagination is more important than knowledge นะคะอย่างที่เรารู้กันนะจินตนาการสำคัญกว่าความรู้ yes
Have sugar.
okay
Milk.
okay
That's not sugar. Now.
ครับ
Then butter, milk, sugar, salt. Now put it back. And then put some butter. Now shake.
And what are you making? Hey, do you have that one? I want to have multi-bio.
No, but I can make by these vegetables.
You don't have multi-bio?
Yeah. But I do have this weaving. You know juice?
I don't know.
It makes it
Tell me.
smell nice.
Okay.
Now wait for a second.
Najib is watching you. Can you say something to Najib? ไม่ได้ไปครับ Najib. He is sick today. There she is. Don't what?
Don't record.
You don't want me to record the video. Why?
Because I hate rock. It make me dizzy.
No, you don't look at the camera. Then you know what? When you grow up, so that you can remember yourself when you were 4 years old.
I remember when I grew up, when you don't take.
How could you remember if you don't, look at your pictures or your
remember.
videos?
I didn't remember. So
You
then
do. You do. Wow, you have just great memory then.
I got big head, so that's why I know.
Oh, really? So you are smart?
Yeah.
Are you smart?
And we had put a bit weaving. I can put a bit.
Najib said she misses you so
Mama.
much. Do you miss Najib?
Mama.
ครับ
I can put a bit of salt
Okay.
and some.
เพื่อนบอกว่า
Crab.
ดีขึ้นแล้วครับนะจ๊ะแต่ว่าผื่นขึ้นเยอะกว่าเมื่อวานไข้ดีขึ้นอยู่แต่ว่าผื่นนะยังไม่หายขึ้นเยอะกว่าเมื่อวานเพื่อนบอกว่าไม่ให้อัดวิดีโอแล้วนะคะทุกคนเพราะว่าเพื่อนน่ะฉลาดเพื่อนมีสมองใหญ่เพื่อนมีสมองใหญ่
My special thing.
Yeah. Oh, what is this?
My
ว้าวนะคะ
my pet.
ของเล่นเดี๋ยวนี้มันน่าเล่นมากเลยดูดิมันเหมือนจริงเนาะ
That's my pet.
Your pet
Yeah.
and you are going to cook your pet How
No.
come? And what are you going to do with him
I just
Huh?
take care of him. Ma,
Okay Okay ครับครับ
he help me shop.
He help you
And see?
มีผู้ช่วยนะคะอันนี้เป็นสัตว์เลี้ยงของเขานะ
บ
ไม่
น
ได้
สิ
เอามาทำอาหาร
บน
นะ
สิ
อันนี้เป็นผู้ช่วยนะคะ what is his name
Crab. Shing. See?
Okay
he make you
ครับ
noodles.
ครับ
He make the noodles.
Okay okay
That's why I got him.
Okay
You know?
No I
Oh, I
don't
can
know
pinch him. I can pinch you, ma.
Don't pinch me why
Ma,
don't pinch me ครับ
That's how he touch you. Pinch.
Oh can you tell your friend can you tell your pet to go away and don't pinch
You know,
your mom
he's
Mr.
just touching you.
Okay he doesn't pinch he just touch me ฮะ
Hey, Mama.
ครับผม
His mouth is under his head.
ฮะ
Crabs of mouth under here, ma. Remember?
Tell No I don't know tell him about me I don't know anything
Ma,
about him
he got a mouth under here.
Really
But he used it to touch you and shop.
and what does he eat
He eats
sausages
Look, he eating it now.
Okay
No, he watches the mouth touches this.
Okay now James calling you
Oh, I know Jim.
หนูจะไปกับน้ำ
ไปไหน
แต่บ้านนะโอ
ไม่
Are you sure you don't want to go with James
In my walk,
andSom
I'm making sausages for him.
Okay can you wave for hand and say bye bye
Bye bye.
bye
ทำข้าว
bye
ผัดให้หน่อย
ไอ้วันจะหักอยู่
ทำข้าวผัดให้พี่ส้มกินหน่อย
Yeah.
มีไข่ไหม